I am starting this recording. See, I am connecting it to the database here, Express database, and there is MS.
SQL comments, right? You are doing telling.
Sorry?
Hello.
Yes?
We are doing SQL comments. DDL, right?
Yeah. DDL we are doing. Okay.
Okay.
So now I am connecting it to the Express database here. So I have two databases here. I will just connect it. Okay. So this will get connected
Are you
here.
recording? Are you
Yeah,
recording?
I have started recording this. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry for interrupting.
Okay. No problem. See, now I have databases here. I will click on the databases. Okay. I have company HR 00, DW configuration, new database HR, all that. Okay. I am going to have a new query here. So I have clicked on new query. Okay. So this is all how you are going to do it. So if you want to save this query, you can save this query. Save SQL query dot SQL. Okay. So it will be saved now. So now if you want to do it, okay, SQL query, okay, I will put DDL. Okay. So now you want to do one more query. I will create one more query here. Okay, I will close this earlier. Now we will go to the other one. DML we will go. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now you can see till now. Okay. 67 you will get this graphical presentation here. See, you can see it here, all the colors are changing here. Company HR00 go, you are using this database. Okay. Then you are creating a demo table. Okay. So this is just to have, if there is a demo table, it will drop that table, it will delete that table, so that I will create it again. Okay, this is nothing to do with our concept. Understood? Okay. If you are not keeping this, then it will throw error like this table already existed. So what you are doing, you are just cleaning up. If the table exists, then you are recreating this employees DML demo. Okay, then you are inserting, you are creating this with primary key, ID, name, salary, then you are going ahead with that. Then you are inserting all these columns, you are inserting the data, then you are selecting the data, okay, then you are updating the data here. So salary of LS you are updating, then you are verifying it, select, okay. So here you will get that output, then you will get here output after update, then you will delete that record here. Okay. So now let's see, after once you have done, you are again verifying this here, then you are cleaning up the table, you are dropping that table now. Okay. Now let's execute this. So now it is executing. Now you see, first table you have just inserted this. I will show this now. Okay. So you have inserted John Doe, first value with 50,000 salary. Then you inserted multiple records. Okay. Then you are selecting this whose salary is greater than 60,000. You got this output. Okay. Then you are updating it again. What is the update? So you want to update the salary of Alice W. Smith to 72,000. So you have updated it. Then you are verifying it. So after updating, you are verifying. Okay, 72,000 it came. Now you want to delete the record. Okay, you want to delete the record which are below 55,000. Bob and John are deleted. Okay, so you can see only two here. Once this is done, okay, so you have verified it, the deletion. This is what it is displaying. This is where you deleted it. Then you are cleaning up and you have deleted the table here. Employees DML demo, you deleted this. Okay, so now what I will do, I will save this DML demo. Okay, copy. I will save it as SQL query DML demo. Okay, now we'll go ahead with the other query. Now we will go with the DQL. Okay, so now I am selecting.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah. You are audible.
No, sir, I couldn't hear you. I left the meeting. He said, I have network issue today.
Okay.
I could not hear you. The last part. I think last part I missed. I just rejoined.
Okay. You can go ahead with the recording. Okay. So I will
From
cover.
verify. From verify.
Okay. So we'll do this here also. You can do this in this one also. I will run this. Sorry. So now you are creating it for the DQL. So you are creating a temporary table, okay, for safe and isolated demonstration. So we are creating it is not null. Okay, so if it is there, you drop the table employees temp. Okay, so there is no table with that. Okay, so then we are fine. Okay, there is no such table now. Okay, now you are creating employees temp here. Okay, this will be temporary table. If you put a prefix, this will make a temporary table. Okay, now you have creating with all these primary key, all that. Then you are inserting it. So these values you have inserted. So you need to verify that. Okay, now you are selecting it. Okay, so this is where you are selecting with wildcard. All that it is going to get displayed here. Then you are selecting it from the names and department here. Okay, department and salary you are selecting. Okay, then you are filtering it out. Okay, where IT is IT department and salary. Okay, this is where you got it. Okay, now you are filtering it with and or operator, where the HR is department is HR and salary is greater than 53,000. Okay, this is number 4. This is number 3. This is number 4. Okay, so this is going to display. Okay, then you are sorting it out. Order by salary description. Okay, shows the highest paid employees first. This is the 5th one. Okay, then you are limiting the result. Okay, top, you just give me the top one. Okay, top 3 list I want. Okay, if you put n number here, that will show you that display here. Okay, now you are doing a aggregation. You are doing a some calculation here, count, sum, average, minimum, maximum, all that. Okay. So now you are doing a aggregation here. This is your 7. Okay. Total 5 employees, total payroll. Okay. This is total employees, payroll, average salary, highest salary, and lowest salary. You are not doing anything here, you are just using these functions here. So that will give you that result. Okay. So now you are grouping the employees with aggregate data. Okay. So what is the data here for employee count? 1, data count. Okay. IT 2, employee count, average salary here, HR average salary. Okay. So you are sorting it out by, you are grouping by department, and then you are sorting by the average salary. Whatever is highest here, it should come first. Okay, that you are ordering now, and then you are filtering it by having. Select department average salary, and you are filtering it by having greater than 60,000. Only show those department which will have more than 60K here. Okay. So now this is the final here. So for final, then you are cleaning up and you are dropping the table here. Okay. So now let's say I will take out this drop. Okay. I will execute this. Okay. Created temporary. Okay. So now you understood this DQL. I will save this as DQL. So now you see it here, all your queries are being saved here, DQL. So which are very small file, 1 KB, 3 KB, like that. Okay. So if you double click that, it will run that particular query. Okay, then DQL is done. Now we will going with the TCL now. Okay. Okay. Sorry?
DML.
Already done, right? DML. Manipulation. First only we have done that.
First DDL.
Yeah. Then we done manipulation. Okay. If it is not done, we will do it. Okay. No problem. Okay. Let's do the DML, right? Okay. Let me do that. DML. Okay. File. Open. Recent files. So you done, right? DML. DML is completed already.
Okay. I should DDL and DQL.
DML is also done. Okay. Now we are going ahead with the TCL here. Transactions. Okay. Now let that the data. Okay. So now you are creating a temporary table to simulate a banking scenario. Okay. So now let's execute this. Okay. So you have executed this one. Okay. This is your first one. Accounts. It's temporarily created with the primary key. Okay. So then you are inserting the initial sample data here, 2, this you have done it. Okay, let me view it. I will just maximize this so that you can view properly. View. Should be zoom here. Maybe zoom here. Okay. Oh, presenter mode. Okay. So at least you can see little highlighted, right? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. So now you are inserting it. This is the first one. Okay. Then you are verifying it. Okay. So once you verify, you are seeing this data now. Now you are committing this successful transaction. So transfer it from this checking account to saving account. Now you are removing from saving account to checking account to saving. You transferred it $100. So the balance will be 1100. Okay. Then you are committing this transaction here. Okay. After committing, you are verifying. Okay. Now it got changed here. Okay. So now you are doing a rollback here. Let's say you want to do a rollback. So you want to update the account balance is equal to 5000. Okay. So for this ID, you want to do a balance of 5000. Okay. So you updated it 5000, but you have done the rollback here. You didn't commit it. That is why you are checking the account. It is not updated. Okay. It is still 900 and 1100 only, because you have not committed it. That is why it is not updated. Okay. Now let's say I will do the commit here. Okay. Commit transaction and go. Okay. Let's say I will change this. You can see the variation here. Okay. So instead of this rollback transaction, I will commit it here. So now you see the difference here. Okay. So you will get updated here. Okay. I will just execute. Now you see it here, checking account. It has reduced the 5000 balance here. It is negative balance now. So earlier it was not like that. Okay. Because you have not committed the transaction. You are just rolling back the transaction. So once you commit it, it will update it to the disk. So that is why we will use the rollback transaction. Okay. So now you see it, all the transaction is updated here. I will tell. Okay. Rollback transaction. Okay. Whereas, okay, just roll back it. Now I will execute this. So now you got all the positive here. So that's how you are going to do the TCL here. Let's save this TCL. Now we will go ahead with the DCL now. Data control. Okay. So you will be controlling the data. You will issue the command. Okay. And you will revoke the permissions also. Okay. So I will close this query. I will close this one also, this one. Okay. A new query. Okay. Paste it. Okay. Now let's say drop demo user. Go. I don't want to drop here. Okay. Let's put it. Okay. Execute it. So now let's see here you are using company HR Go. Okay. So you are creating a temporary test user for safe DCL demonstration without login. Creates a user that exists only in specific database. Okay. Here you will have a specific user only here. Okay, in this database. Security. Okay. Logins. You see demo user only present here in this company HR0. You see it here, demo user. If you have login, then you can have it here. It will be mentioned here. Okay, he can log in. Okay, so you have only in the company HR. Okay, so now you are creating a temporary user. Okay, if exist, select asterisk. You are telling, okay, if the user exists, you drop this user just for there should be no error. That is why you are putting this step. Okay, so let's say if I am not putting this step, then you will get an error. Let me put this. Okay, I made this comment. Okay, then I will make this one also comment, then this one also comment. Now if I run it, it will say, okay, the user already exists. You see it here, incorrect syntax, exist, all it is telling. Let me do this. Okay, I will make this comment here like this. Let it be. So I am not checking up. Okay, let me execute this. Okay, you see it here. Demo user is already present here. So that is why you are checking it. If the user exists, you delete it. I don't want to have this type of error. Okay, what it will do now? This will delete the user now. If it is present, then it will recreate the user here without login. Okay, now you will get no error. So this is the logic. For all tables, we will be deleting it so that we should not get the duplicate like this is already exist. So now you are granting the select insert on DBO to demo user. So now he has connect, select and insert. So he is having permissions here, insert and select. So now management changed. Okay, I don't want to give him insert option. You revoke the permission here. Now you are revoking insert on the demo user. So you are taking it out. Okay, I don't want to give this user. Where is this user? Okay, here. I don't want to give him the access to insert the table. So now this is doing the revoke of insert here. Whatever permission you are removing here now. So now you are doing a query here verification. So it got deleted. So he is not having the insert permission now. He can only connect or he can select. Okay. If you want to drop, okay, what we will do, we will drop the user also, demo user at the last. Okay. So I want to delete the demo user. So once we are done, so the demo user is still present even after execution. Now you see it, this user will get deleted now if I am executing now. You see, this got deleted. So this is your DCL. I am going to save this DCL. Now wildcard entries, SQL comments, all that, this is completed already. Okay. So you go ahead with all these, and then we are connecting it now, the tables and schemas here. Okay. At the page number, real project 1, we are going to demo here 108.
This project will do tomorrow.
Okay. So you want to do the project 1 tomorrow, local dev DBA 108.
Yes.
Okay, then I will stop the recording now. Okay.